All right, everybody, it is Monday. We are closed and I'm going undercover. I've got 3 Pumas here to do videos on and photographs, so bear with me. If you haven't seen the Puma lights or the Puma in the Tracks line, you're about to. Stay tuned. All right, everybody, Tony with the Referral Auto Group. Last but not least, we've done 2 others. They're closed up and getting ready to get moved out into our display area, but let's get this 3rd one done. This is our full-size Puma Tracks 2580 RBSS. This is a full rear bathroom. It's huge. We even got washer dryer hookups in this thing, and it is going to hook you up for an amazing price. Again, come check these out. This is my 2nd full Puma Tracks that I've done. No, it's not. This is my 1st. So this is my very first full Puma Tracks. I've done Puma Tracks lights, but not a Puma Track. So come on out and check it out. I'm done rambling. I'm going to cover specs and features I can during this video, but I'm probably going to miss some. I won't mess any up, but I might miss some. All right, here we go. 32 foot 8 inches in overall length, weigh approximately 6,100 pounds unloaded with a GVW of 7,628 pounds. We haul 42 gallons of fresh water, 68 gallons of gray, and 38 gallons of black. Comfortable sleeping for up to 4 people, unless you want to get cozy. All right, let's talk about some of the features. Smooth fiberglass exterior. Underneath that, we have our Asdel sidewall construction. If you don't know what Asdel is, check it out. It's worth the read and a huge upgrade in the construction. Then we have our foam block insulation with our welded aluminum structure. We have our fully molded front fiberglass cap with LED light right there below the logos. Coming down to a diamond plate rock guard, which protects us from anything coming up off the roadway. In front of that, we have our rack for our batteries. We're going to include a complimentary deep cycle 12-volt battery with everything that we sell. Installed, hooked up. Also, 5-gallon, 20-pound LP tanks. We have 2 of those. Those will also be full upon delivery. And your front power tongue jack. Then we have our 4 points of power stabilization jacks, a heated and enclosed underbelly. Huge pass-through storage. Here comes a train, guys. I'll do my best to talk over it, but it's going to go right on the other side of that fence, so bear with me. Huge pass-through storage, which houses our battery cutoff switch and our solar charge controller for our factory installed solar panel. While we're talking about the roof, we have our AC unit sitting up there that is central and ducted. Our super slide here, we have our off-air high definition antenna, 15-inch aluminum wheels with radial tires. Our super slide with framed windows that open 50%. I prefer that over our frameless, which only open a little bit at the bottom. And when I say it's right there, there it goes. So bear with me. Tankless water heater, outdoor shower. There's your other rear power stabilization jacks. Your 15-inch spare tire. Your rear observation camera. This is prep for the observation camera. It is not a backup camera. Anytime you turn on those marker lights, that camera will work. Okay, so if you choose to put bikes on here, you can actually watch them fall off. Here's our power awning that extends out 8 feet. Now, the lights on this are in the awning arms. I'm going to spin around and show you this one, which is pretty cool because the lights come out over where you're enjoying yourself, but they also can be used when it's fully rolled up. You either have them up against the side of the coach, which does make it out into your living space, but not quite as well, or you have it up on the roll, which then when you close this awning, you have no lights. You have a refrigerator right behind that door to the left of the entrance door, a pretty good sized refrigerator. We have our Airxcel lightweight solid steps. And then here we have the other side of the trailer and your other pass-through storage door. Look how tall those are, and it is that tall. So definitely check out the pictures. All right, let's go inside. As we go inside, we're going to open the door. I don't know what I was going to say, and I lost total train of thought. No pun intended. As we go in, we have our residential style linoleum, our theater seating, our booth that breaks down into a bed. There's your thermofoil countertops, residential style sprayer. We are prepped for the dual ACs because we have our 2 thermostats there. There's your oven and 3-burner cooktop, microwave above, residential style refrigerator, which is no problem because you got that solar up there, and the cooling power of these things are much better than the LP electric ones because they're not an absorption refrigerator. This is just like your residential fridge, and there's no vents cut to the outside. This thing, look at that. You want some storage? You even have a 12-volt plug in there. You can hide your blender. You don't have to share your margaritas anymore. You can leave it in there. There's your fireplace, which is a great heater, smart TV. As we turn a little bit more, we have storage there. Let's go into the bathroom. As we go into the bathroom, you're going to notice it is quite large. We have our porcelain toilet, nice large shower with a seat. Look at that. Disappearing shower door, which can be rolled up wet because it is mold and mildew free. Blind, but I can't do it with one hand. Blind that rolls up, so you do have a window. You can pull some air in. Residential height counter, medicine cabinet, and check this out. There's a closet there, but we also have linen closet here. But in this closet, sorry for the face full of door, we have our washer dryer hookups and tons of space. All right, enough about the bathroom. We'll pan around a little bit. It has definitely enough space for someone to come in here and get ready if they chose to. Cabinets again right there. There's your theater seating. Nice large windows, very bright and happy. Let's go into the bedroom. So we have a pocket door that closes off this bedroom. So you have our front private bedroom with lots of walk around space. Cabinets all the way up and over. Nice accent lighting. Windows on each side of the bed. Now, those cubbies that you see with the handles, those right there, those could probably house a CPAP machine, and the cords can come out the hole, which is your handle, into the 110 plug. You also have 12-volt USBs at both sides. You also have a shelf on each side right there. Nice reading lights. So a pretty cool bedroom. You also have a spot for a TV if you choose to put one in here. If not, no problem, because it's not there. Okay, let's back out. I'm going to pan around, kind of give you the lay of the land. And let's go back outside. Let's recap what we just saw. If you're still with me, congratulations. I like people that watch the whole video. I like everybody. But if you watch the whole video, that's super cool too. All right, everybody, this is our 2026 Puma Tracks. And this is the full-size Puma Tracks 2580 RBSS. We are 32 foot 8 inches in overall length, weigh approximately 6,100 pounds, unloaded with a GVW of 7,628 pounds. 42 gallons of freshwater capacity, 68 gallons of gray, and 38 gallons of black. We have a tankless water heater and comfortable sleeping for up to 4 people. We have our Asdale in our sidewalls, welded aluminum structure, foam block insulation, front molded fiberglass cap, nice big awning with lights in the awning arm. We also have adjustable rafter arms, I forgot to mention, tankless water heater, solar, front power tongue jack, 4 points of power stabilization jacks, fireplace, hidden pantry, washer dryer hookups. Come check it out, 209-404-2200. Check us out on the web at www.referralautogroup.com. As always, we're not strong-arm salespeople. We're not going to hustle and hassle you till you buy. We're going to educate you and leave that buying decision completely up to you. If you find that hard to believe, come on out. Check us out. Let me know if you feel anything different. My name's Tony. I'm the owner. If you've been out, then you know it's true. We're also the home of the lifetime nationwide warranty that is limited, and it covers all components with a zero deductible that is underneath its plan. So check that out. That's already included in the price. It's not a bring it back to us and we promise to fix it. That is any licensed repair facility in the nation. We also have on-site service, parts, and financing. We have all major banks and credit unions to help you out, get these things financed for you with very, very good rates. So thanks for checking it out again. Call us 209-404-2200 or check us on the web at www.referralautogroup.com. Thanks for watching. Look forward to meeting you.